Hello everyone. So you might be using a cut and copy function in your computer, and whenever you cut or copy a content from any software or a program, it goes into a clipboard. Clipboard is a special temporary memory that holds data that is cut or copied from any other document or a program. Windows 10 provides you the option to save multiple copied content into a single clipboard using clipboard history option. To enable clipboard history, click on the start menu and then click on settings. Under systems, click on it. Under systems, click on under settings, click on systems, and then navigate to clipboard, and then you have option clipboard history. Click on this button to turn it on. Clipboard history. Click here to turn it on. Now clipboard history option has been enabled. So let me take a screenshot using snipping tool. And as you can see, I have taken a screenshot and copied the content, and let me create a Word file. And then write something here. AIIT solutions, and let me copy this as well. So now I have copied an image, a screenshot, and some text, and I want to paste that image because now I have recently copied my text, so the old copied content has gone. But when clip history is enabled, press Windows and V key, you will have clipboard with other details. So in this you can see I have screenshots that was taken on 5:56 p.m. and then I have the text one. If I click on the text will be written, and if I click here and click on the screenshot, I'll have screenshot here. So with this option you can have multiple content copied and you can use them later on in your requirement, wherever your requirements are. So to clear the history, you can just go to Windows settings and then on systems, click on clipboard and then clear the clipboard data. When I have cleared it, press Windows V. See, the clipboard is empty. So using this option, clipboard history, I can save multiple copied content in clipboard history and I can use them anytime. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.